Unmasking phone numbers. 10 free OSINT tools you need. Ever wondered if you could track a phone number online completely for free? Today, I'll show you 10 powerful OSINT websites to uncover the secrets behind any phone number, all for zero cost. These are the same tools used by cyber sleuths, journalists, and investigators worldwide. Anyone can use them, right from their own computer. Quick disclaimer. These tools are for ethical research, personal protection, and legitimate investigation only. Never use them to harass, stalk, or invade someone's privacy. Always follow your local laws. Let's get started. First up is Truecaller, a global favorite for identifying unknown phone numbers. Just head to the Truecaller website, type in the number, and you might see the name, photo, and even the location associated with it. Truecaller's massive database is powered by millions of users, making it one of the most accurate sources for caller ID. To unlock full features, sign up for a free account. You can look up numbers, report spam, and block unwanted calls. Truecaller is especially handy for repeated calls from unknown numbers or potential scammers. But remember, just because you can look up a number doesn't mean you should invade someone's privacy. Always respect local privacy laws and use Truecaller responsibly. If you're unsure, ask yourself, would I be okay if someone did this to me? Truecaller is a tool, not a weapon. Use it wisely. Next is Sync.me, another fantastic site for uncovering the identity behind a phone number. Sync.me links phone numbers to names, social media profiles, and spam reports. Enter the number, and you'll get a detailed report in seconds. Sync.me's database is huge and constantly updated with new spam and scam numbers. You can avoid telemarketers, robocalls, and potential fraudsters before you pick up. Plus, you can contribute by reporting spam numbers yourself. Remember, Sync.me is for protecting yourself and your loved ones, not for snooping on strangers. Always use this tool with respect for others' privacy and within the law. If you're checking your own calls or protecting your family from scams, you're using it right. Anything beyond that, think twice. NumLookup is a completely free service that lets you identify phone numbers in seconds, no sign-up required. Plug in the number, hit search, and you'll see the name, carrier, and sometimes even the address tied to that number. It's fast, easy, and works for both mobile and landline numbers. NumLookup is perfect for quickly checking who's calling without creating an account. But just because you have access doesn't mean you can use it for anything you want. Always stay within the legal boundaries of your country. Don't use this tool to harass or stalk anyone. For business owners, it's great for verifying customers or screening for spam. Everyday users can protect themselves from scams. SpyDialer is a free tool for searching information about any phone number in the United States. Type in the number, and you can get the owner's name, address, and sometimes even hear their voicemail greeting, without them knowing. This is handy if you keep getting calls from the same unknown number. SpyDialer's voicemail feature can give you a big clue about the caller's identity, all without making a call. Use this power responsibly. SpyDialer is for legitimate investigation and personal safety, not pranks or harassment. Never use it to invade someone's privacy or break the law. If you're protecting yourself from scams or reconnecting with a lost contact, you're on the right track. Anything else? Don't risk it. Whitepages is one of the oldest and most trusted reverse phone lookup sites online. Enter a phone number, and you might get the owner's name, address, and even background info. Whitepages pulls from public records, making it especially useful for landlines and business numbers. If you're dealing with persistent unknown callers or need to verify someone's identity, Whitepages can help. You can also check if a number is linked to a scam or telemarketing operation. Sometimes, Whitepages asks you to pay for detailed reports, but basic lookups are free. Never use Whitepages to dig up dirt or invade privacy. If you're protecting yourself or verifying business contacts, you're doing it right. Anything beyond that? Not cool. WhoCallsMe relies on its user community to identify unknown callers. Search a suspicious number, and you'll see comments and reports from others who've received calls from it. This is super helpful for spotting scams, telemarketers, and robocalls. You can add your own experiences to help others avoid the same traps. It's like crowdsourced caller ID, but never use WhoCallsMe to harass or retaliate against callers. The site is for sharing information, not organizing vendettas. Keep your comments factual and respectful. If you're using WhoCallsMe to protect yourself and your community, you're making the internet safer. ZLOOKUP is a free site that lets you find out who owns a phone number. No registration needed. Enter the number, and ZLOOKUP will search its massive database for a match. You'll get the name, carrier, and sometimes more, all for free. ZLOOKUP prides itself on accuracy and user privacy. They don't store your searches or ask for your personal info, which is a big plus. But don't misuse this tool. ZLOOKUP is for legitimate lookups only. Never use it to stalk, harass, or invade privacy. Misuse can get you in serious trouble. If you're verifying a business contact or protecting yourself from scams, you're in the clear. Anything else? Step away. Pipl is a powerhouse for aggregating public data from across the web. Enter a phone number, and Pipl scours social networks, public records, and directories to find every scrap of info linked to it. It's like Google on steroids for OSINT researchers. Pipl is especially useful for deep background checks or reconnecting with a long-lost friend. The results can be incredibly detailed, including social profiles and email addresses. But with great data comes great responsibility. Pipl is for ethical research only. Always respect privacy and use Pipl within the law. If you're an investigator, journalist, or protecting your family, Pipl is a fantastic resource. Using it for anything shady, you're crossing the line. Social Searcher is a unique OSINT tool that lets you find social media profiles linked to a phone number. Enter the number, and Social Searcher scans major platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for matches. It's a powerful way to see if a number is tied to a real person or a scam bot. This tool is especially useful for verifying someone's identity or checking if a caller is legit. Never use Social Searcher to stalk or harass people online. Social Searcher works best for public profiles, so don't expect to find private accounts. Use it to protect yourself from scams, not to invade someone's digital life. If you're a parent, business owner, or just a curious user, Social Searcher is a great addition to your OSINT toolkit. Just remember, use it responsibly. Believe it or not, Facebook's search bar can be a powerful OSINT tool. If a phone number is linked to a public Facebook account, type it into the search bar and you might see the profile it belongs to. This is a great way to verify if a number is real or spot a potential scammer. Facebook's search is helpful for finding lost contacts or verifying someone who's messaged you out of the blue. Only public information will show up. Private profiles stay private. Always respect user privacy. Never use Facebook search to stalk or harass anyone. If you're reconnecting with old friends or protecting yourself from scams, you're using this tool the right way. And that's it. 10 free tools anyone can use to track phone numbers online, the ethical way. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The tools I've shared today are meant for ethical, legal, and positive use only. Never use them to harass, stalk, or invade someone's privacy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite OSINT tool, and subscribe for more deep dives. Your support helps me keep bringing you the best tips and tricks on the internet. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.